Wait, am I recording? Okay, hi guys, welcome back. Basically, when I was recording, one of the uh files corrupted. I'm sure you played this game before. I haven't, and yeah, I'm gonna continue it. So basically, one file corrupted, and I'm going to play this. Connect the nozzles to the plane depending on its color. Guess there's obstacles. Thank God that the like corrupted file didn't yeah. There's like a corrupted file and yeah. I could record it and somehow yeah. So like I just restarted to the where part where the corrupted file was. And oh my god, there's 3 people now. Oh my god, I can't do this, bro. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I'm a PC player. Oh, this was so hard, bro. I'm not sure if PC is easier or not. No! Someone died again! No! We need more people for this. Ah. Am I mad? Yes. Hey, at least he got someone else. Oh, don't block his way. Don't block his way. We need to win, bruh. Come here, come here. Let's go, let's go. Woo! Well, this place is pretty cool. I'm gonna see. I want to build this plane and build a boat, but I'm not good in build a boat. Maybe I can. I don't know. Ah, now we are ready. Teddy! I found a teddy bear. He will be our pilot through this mission. Is he gone? System is ready, General. General. Please start the engine, pilot. We sail, we sail, we sail, we still, we still. Where am I, bro? Where am I? Is that a teddy bear? Well, I couldn't. Yeah, found a teddy bear. Is that a secret or something? I don't know, but he's cuddly. Yeah, I'm gonna cuddle him. Can't do anything with him, but it's cool, I guess. I don't know. I'm holding him for good luck. I'm sure there's secrets. Hey, let's go. Bro, why is the captain fiddling in the air? Oh my god, he's crying or something. Anyways, where's our teammate at? Is he outside? Did he die or leave? Wait, did he die? Where are you? Where is he? Bananas for Wait. Wait, where are they? I'm not eating the banana. I'll save it for later. Yeah, I'll save it. Wait, but actually, where is he? Bro. What do you mean? Oh, okay. Wait, but where is he actually? Wait, where's our teammate at? You know, it's pretty cool inside the plane, but like, where's the... I'm just kidding. It's an old prank. Bro, you scared me for a second. It's not funny in general. Bro, where is our teammate at? Where, did he glitch in something? Where are... Wait, where is he actually? I can't find him. Oh, it's probably I stuck in like another scene. Never mind, he's still not here. Wait, but... What? Guys? I didn't get teleported. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, I don't think I'm on his plane. Oh, my God, bro. Is this a glitch? If the developer watches this, they should definitely patch this. Wait, like, what? Okay, everyone chill. What? Is it because I was holding the teddy? Oh my God, I hope I get teleported to there. Wait, am I? Wait. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, bro, that scared me. Sheesh. Whew, bro, that scared me. Did he just fall off? I can't see him. I think he fell off. Yep, he definitely fell off. Is he inside the engine? Or did he actually just fall off? Well, I like how they actually didn't focus on the like inside. They actually also focus on outside, so it's like kind of like balanced. Like it's good in the inside and it's also good out in the outside. Normally maps like maybe like a house, just to have like a full-on block of furniture inside. What are you doing? Are you picking up the metal? Are you knocking? Ah, what do you mean? What is that? Oh my God! Is that? Oh my God! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Why am I running away? What do you mean? Fire! Bro, let us in quickly! Bro, get in! Oh my God! Holy! Although, that was close. Holy. I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you are talking about. General. Never mind. Let's keep moving. We're almost there. Wait, how are we gonna go there if they're on the airplane, but we're also on the airplane? Are we gonna jump on the airplane? What? We're finally here. Perfect. Everyone pay close attention, okay? I'm paying close attention. And I still see you robbing the floor. Bro, you see him robbing the floor? We are in there. We just have one chance. Good luck, soldiers. Shall we get like a hammer, something? Oh, never mind. I wanted to do this my whole life. What is he going to do? Oh no! We better hurry. Check the storage if you can see anything to open this door. There's a key. It's a brush, this little brush. Is there anything here? No. Oh, hammer. Is there anything else? Okay. Oh, that's it. Okay, that's pretty cool. It has some physics to it. It actually falls off. We don't talk about Ronald. No. How did you get here? I don't know. I just like teleported here. Come back here, little. Why are all these? Oh, these are noobs. Okay. They shake the same time, like this very perfect time. Be free, child and parent. Be free. Be free. Be free. Why are they still shaking? Okay. Now I'm gonna shoot you with my teddy bear. I don't know. Let me in. FBI, open up. This is it. What is he doing? Bro, stop scrubbing the floor. Oh my. Me. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. We trust you, Dabba Jibba Jibba Jibba. Yeah, that's my name. But I'm literally. Why am I looking? I can still turn around even. We can work this out. No! No. We can talk about this. Let the captain go. What is he trying to do? You don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. Plans I deserve. Listen to what I'm going to say. I was wrong, Ronald. Tell us what made you do this. Yeah, I picked that decision. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. I mean, that's what they say, like, how you get treated a long time ago, like, you like, get treated like that. That's normally how criminals end up. All I ever wanted is a friend. Can we be your friends? Maybe we can talk about this. Yeah, we can be your friends. You can save, friends. Would you really do that for me? Yeah, of course, as long as you free the pilot. Be your friends because you're a good person. I've taken things too far. Well, you can't change it now, kinda. It's never late to do anything, right, Ronald? Let's get out of this one together. Okay? Oh. Good person. Hey, let's go. We're gonna get the good ending. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot, dot. Feeling well. Wait, is he okay? I mean, we don't really need to save him, but yeah. Did he just pass away? No, I mean, he did have a bad childhood and did end up as a criminal, but he doesn't deserve to do. Wait, is that fire? Bro, is that fire? General, the captain room is burning. How are we gonna save him now? Whoa! Wait, what about him though and the pilot? Is there no water? Wait, there's no water. Wait, there's water. Wait, but there's water, bro. Oh. You know what? Never mind. I don't have... I need to grab one. Wait, I don't have... No! I don't... Oh my god, I don't have a parachute. Bro, I don't have a parachute. What am I gonna do? I don't... Doors open. He just straight up died. Wait, how am I gonna get past this though? Wait, what? But... Oh my god, whatever. But anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. I want to make sure that you get the parachute. Okay, bye, guys.